Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a fall clean and decorate with me. I'm super excited because fall is my favorite time of the year, so I wanted to start with the easiest room. I had some like decor from last year, so I was able to build upon the decor I already had, and Kirkland's had a sale, so I was able to get items at really good prices. So yeah, let's get started. My cushions clean because when I think about it, I'll do it, but mine is unable to take off the cover and wash it, like throw them in the washing machine, because this couch is super duper old. So I try my best to try to keep it up, especially when I have time to clean it. I would do it. So I didn't show all of it, but I cleaned all the cushions. And you guys see that wood oil? It always restores and makes it look brand new. I got them from $7.49 because I came in when they were having like additional 25% off, on top of the 25% off that was already on fall decor. Then I went back to Kirkland's because I was like, I want a little bit more added to this room, and I love this pillow. So it will definitely be added to my fall decor next year. And these little blankets cost about $10. And I had another 20% off of my order from that day because of my birthday coupon. So I was able to use it. And I think the total only came up to like $40 for the things that I got that day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video for today, this little mini series of me decorating this room. And I will be going room by room, decorating for fall. So I wanted to create a little series about it. And yeah, super excited to share with you all. I hope you guys enjoyed the video for today. And like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.